Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to embed Lovable AI to hosting your website builder. First thing I want you to do is just go to your hpanel.hostinger.com. From the left hand panel, click on websites, and click here on edit website. And now what I want you to do here again from the left hand navigation bar, okay, click on elements. We'll scroll down. Let's go ahead and drag and drop a embed code right here. So we'll drag and drop it. And then what you can do is click here on enter code. Let's get rid of this. And I want you to just go ahead and type this in. Okay, you can pause the video. And what we want to do is go to Lovable. Okay. And in Lovable AI, open up your app. And then make sure you publish your project. So come to the top right, click on publish. And once you have it published, you'll get this link. Okay. So I want you to go ahead and go to that link, okay? Copy it, there you go. Then you go back to Hostinger where you see iframe src equals to the source. I want you to change this and paste in your URL. Once you're done with that, go ahead and click on embed code and then go ahead and, publish your website, save it, and you can reload it and it will work. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to App Mentor.